In this short video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to a Discord account through the Discord app on Android. But before I do, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, head to the Play Store and download the Discord app. Once downloaded and installed, click on Open. Now once you get to this page, you can either register or log in if you've already got login details. But of course I don't, so I'm going to click on register. So next you can enter either your phone or email address. So on this occasion I'm going to select my email. Now I'm just going to type in my email address. Click on next. Then I've got to nominate a username. I've chosen my username, I can always change that later. Next I'm going to choose a password. Once both of those have entered, I'm going to click next. Next I have to enter in my birthday. Click done, and then tap on create an account. So now it's asking me to verify, so I'm going to click on the verify button. Now here it's asking me to find my friends. You can click on get started if you want to search for your friends, or if you want contacts to be allowed to add you, then check the checkbox. If not, uncheck it. Here I'm just going to click on skip. Next it allows you to find your classmates in the student hub for your school. I'm not at school, so I'm going to click on no thanks. But if you want to do that, put in the name of your school email address and then click join hub. Say no thanks. So you can create your own server, or you can start from a template. So your server is where you and your friends hang out. Make yours and start talking. So I'm just going to create my own for me and my friends. Here you can upload a profile picture. It's got a server name, Tips for Noobs server. And I'm just going to click on create server. Here I can start a conversation. I'm just going to click on skip. And now here's the link to my Discord. So if I wanted to share this link, I can just click on share link and then share it with my friends so they can come and join me. But for now, I'm just going to click on the X in the top left-hand corner. And that's it. I've created an account. And that's all it takes to create a Discord account. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this works for you. Thanks for watching.